Let me try loading a game I knew worked, because I don't know if these are just going really slow, or... Oh god, what?
Hello? Hi, Barbie. It's Ken. Would you like to go play tennis? Sounds like fun. Great.
Oh god, what? Oh god, what? What is happening? Oh god. Oh my god. The fuck was that? What was that? What? I don't know what buttons I'm supposed to be pressing, but none of them are working. Can we... Am I really just driving an hour to go see Ken? Is that what's happening? Am I supposed to be stopping at these places? Nothing happens. None of my buttons do anything. It's been over an hour. Hello? You can probably hear me literally pressing every button on my... What? Oh god, what? Oh god, what's happening? That... What? One sec. What? What is this hellhole and how do I get out of it? Okay. Okay, sure. At least this makes sense, sort of. What is up with this horrific music? Also, the game is terrible. If that isn't obvious. It's like a dress-up game. I was supposed to meet Ken 4 hours ago.
Hi, Barbie. It's Ken. Plans have changed. Would you like to go to the gym? Sounds like fun. Great. See you in an hour.
Hello? Sure. Hello? There we go. Way too lewd. Please just go up. Thank you. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Oh my god, her hair changed to like asphalt. Did we get there? What is the point of this fucking game?
Hello? Hi, Barbie. It's Ken. Plans have changed. Would you like to go play tennis?
No!
Great. See you in an hour.
Oh god, this is literally a hell simulator. It's making sense now. It all makes sense now. Oh god. Let's get the hell out of this hellhole, please. Oh god.